You are watching Siyabonga Sangweni Youth Month Festival. Mnandi Bhola.
Mbuyeli sekhona ke la kwi-event enkulu Siyabonga Sangweni Youth Month Festival. Lapho khona kumnandi khona. Today it's day 2. Kuqaliwe izolo badlala abantu izolo it was ama schools bekuzikole zadlala under 13 no under 20 netball. So badlalile kakhulu sibabonile bewina abayimbisela bawina 5,000 check ama voucher 2.5 check ama voucher. But today it's day 2 mhlawumbe ke ukubeka nje isithombeni namhlanje kwenzakalani usuku lokuthi kudlala i-community under 13 no under 15 namhlanje. Zizobulalana ke khona namhlanje khona la Siyabonga Sangweni zibulalana zipendana iphithisane kuze kube yiyo lo ndaba. So njengamanje ke basadlala bakhona sebedlalele bawina kodwa akusaqhubeka ama games khona futhi namhlanje. Engakutshela khona ukuthi hlala nathi selokhu siku-update ukuthi kwenzakalani sohlangana sixhumane nama different teams sizwe uvo lo coach sizwe nama players ukuthi azizwe njani ukuthi abe ingxenye yale event ehlala yenzeka iminyaka neminyaka njalo ku-event specific to i-youth. Mhlawumbe ke ukukhumbuza sport seyizinto ebaluleke kakhulu empilweni yomuntu especially kumuntu omusha njengoba sazi ukuthi kulesi sikhathi samanje abantu abasha baningi kakhulu ekwenzeni izinto ezingezinhle kanti futhi nezinga lokuhamba kwabantu emhlabeni ngathi seleliningi kakhulu kubantu abasha because they are everywhere. So isport noma le event Siyabonga Sangweni Youth Month Festival manye yama event amakhulu la eKZN bamba kakhulu iqhaza ukuqoqa abantu abasha ukuthi bebe ndawonye. Sidlulisa amazwi amakhulu kakhulu nakwi foundation Siyabonga Sangweni Foundation for ukuqhubeka njalo lokhu behlela umcimbi onjengalo. Kusasa it's Friday kune program enhle kakhulu uMSC uzobe khona la Department of Health uzobe khona la abantu abafike bezosheka ukuthi banjani emzimbeni. Make sure ukuthi you don't miss out. Ngiyanimema nonke kusakamthethwa namaphethelo.
Bingelele kanti babuye balaleli. Mina ngegama nguSimpiwe uMawandu Masilela. Ngizilapha ngeqembu Payback. Sizomele lekundawo yangakithi uNongoma. Leqembu ifisile win ukuthi iphumelele lihambile phambili ngoba liqala nje ukuzala lisodlala tournament. Ngiyafisa ukuthi ligwele phambili nalo libe iqembu engcono edumile laziwayo uNongoma wonke.
Yebo, siyabingelela lapha emakhaya. Igama lami nguLethukuthula Zondi, ngicaptain eMatikulu Academy and ngidlala ku under 15. Sizela kwiSabonga Sangweni tournament, Sabonga Sangweni youth tournament. Sizoveza ama talent nabadlali esinabo ukuthi we are hungry for ukuthi sithathe tournament. Yebo.
So njengoba ni Matikulu FC
Matikulu Academy.
Oh academy. So late.
Yebo, suke eMatikulu.
Ngisoke sikhathile.
Around 7.
Okay. Kodwa nje. So did you train yourself well Nyazathemba as now captain? I'm sure ukuthi ikhona into onayo njenge team yakho.
Yeah. We trained. We went all out and siyathembisa ukuthi hayi no coach nabo bayibona ukuthi singakwazi ukuthi sicompete la nabanye abafana. Sikwazi ukuthi sinqobe na le tournament.
Okay. As a captain ufisela in futhi iqembu lakho there are people abalaba ngaba legends okune possibility ukuthi ningathi manje ndlala kube khona some of the individuals kini abazo sporter ukuthi ayibonanga umdlalo udlala kahle nanye. So wena nje as a captain ni officer ukuthi uzibone ukuphi kwi sport mhlawumbe na team yakho.
Bye kona baningi ama legend besifisa ukuthi nabadlali bethu begcine bethathe ikhozi lana sizotshengisa italent labadlali esinabo. Yabo bengifisa nami ukuthi hayi ngigcine ngiphumelelile ngokwebhola ngoba bekuyisifiso sami kusukela ngisakhula vele ukuthi ngigcine ngiphumelelile ngokwebhola ngoba ibhola bengikhule ngilithanda lekhaya bekuyimina ngedlala ibhola manje. Ngakho bengithanda ukuthi nasendaweni nje ngicabanga ukuthi makuthiwa kuyenzeka kumina bengingaba yimina ngedwa uqala ukuthi ngiphumelele ngokwebhola. Manje ke yabo I must remain humble.
That's good.
Why not? And now I'm throwing a question back at you. Why can't every player be able to do this? I'm asking the question, why can't every player be able to, create space? Every player, doesn't matter your position, should they be able to create space? Beat a player, go past the player. Should every player be able to do that? Should every player be able to go 1v1?
You are watching Siamo Samuel Youth Festival. Nandi Bola.